friends, my name is Ananya from Access World Me YouTube channel. First of all, I welcome to all the friends. Today I am going to read about the topic, what is a computer? Computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as an input from the user and processes it under the control of a set of instructions called program, produces a result output, and saves it for future use. This tutorial explains the foundational concepts of computer, hardware, software, operating systems, peripherals, etc., along with how to get the most value and impact from computer technology. Functionalities of a computer. There are three basic functionalities of a computer system, and they are 1. Input, 2. Process, 3. Output. But if we look at it in a very broad sense, any digital computer carries out the following 5 functions. Step 1 takes data as input. Step 2 stores the data/instructions in its memory, and uses them as required. Step 3 processes the data and converts it into useful information. Step 4 generates the output. Step 5 controls all the above 4 steps. Computer. Input. Process. Output. Thank you for listening my audio.